Hola, I'm Angela, a modern languages teacher and owner of Lively Languages. This is the first of 3 short videos on how to form the subjunctive in Spanish. Why? Because there is a lot of information and bite-sized delivery is often easier to digest. Also, it's good to be aware of the subjunctive as it's something you can't avoid. Plus, you'll hear others using it. Therefore, learning to recognise it will help your comprehension. So, what is the subjunctive? Well, it conjugates like a tense, although technically it's a mood, not a tense, and it's used in particular situations or after particular conjunctions. But today we're just looking at how to form it with regular verbs. There's a lot of good news on how to form the subjunctive. Firstly, there are only 2 sets of endings. And you'll see that the endings for AR verbs are the present tense ER verb endings. And the endings for the ER and IR verbs are the present tense AR endings, except in both cases for the yo form, which takes an E for AR verbs and an A for ER and IR verbs. Here are the present subjunctive endings with their pronouns. Es, hemos, eis, en. And for ER and IR verbs, a, as, a, amos, ais, an. For our first example, let's look at the verb hablar, to speak. We take off the AR, maybe add the optional pronouns yo, tú, él, ello, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes, and then the endings to habla. And so we get hable, hables, hable, hablemos, habléis, hablen. And here's the ER verb comer, to eat. Same process. Take off the ER, add the pronouns and then the endings to this stem. And we're left with coma, comas, coma, comamos, comáis, coman. And for IR verbs, remember these are the same endings in the subjunctive as for ER verbs. Our example here is vivir, to live. We take off the IR, add the pronouns and then the endings to this stem. Viva, vivas, viva, vivamos, vivais, vivan. So there you have it. To form the subjunctive with regular verbs you need 2 sets of endings and the stem of the verb. Why not concentrate on learning these verb endings so that you're ready to hit the ground running when the video on how to form the subjunctive part 2 comes out? Or if you have a question, pop that in the comments and I'll reply. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another one. All that remains for me to say is gracias y adiós. Thanks for watching.